Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Sanabria. I'm a local realtor here in Port St. Lucie with Wakers Realtor Integrity Group. And today we are doing an open house at 5012 Barcelona Avenue, Fort Pierce. And this is a 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom home. It is 776 square feet. Living square feet. The total square feet is 1,224. This is a CBS home. It was built in 1953. The roof was done in 2019 and the AC was done in 2021. So the two major components of the home are fairly new. This home does need some repairs and some upgrades. It is good for an investor. So if you're an investor and you see this video, contact me. Again, it sits in a quarter to a half an acre, 0.39 acre. It's a very big lot, so it has a lot of potential to build on it. Again, if you have any questions that you want to ask me about the home, feel free to contact me. All my information will be down below. My phone number is 786-817-4338. Again, Maria Sanabria with Wakers Realtor Integrity Group, and let's see the property. Hello everyone, I'm here at 5012 Barcelona Avenue in Fort Pierce, and we're doing an open house today. This is a 0.39 acre of a home. If you see, it is a very big yard. It is fenced in all around. It has a mango tree. The backyard right here has a big shed. Has a little lanai. The house does need some improvements, but it has a lot of potential. This could be an investment property or a first-time buyer that wants to, come in and fix it. This is the other side. It's a corner lot. The AC was done in 2021. The roof was done in 2019. Let's go in. It's gonna be a little dark, but this is the living room. It has a fireplace. Like I said, it's going to need some repairs, but it's a very cute little home for a starter home or just an investment for rental. This is the bathroom. One bedroom. It's actually a 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Has a closet. This is the second bedroom. Has a lot of potential, guys. That is a closet. Dining room. Entrance to the kitchen. Entrance to the kitchen. And the back room. All right, now we're gonna go to the back. This is an enclosed lanai Washer and dryer stays. Of course, you could take this little, they have like little shutters or something there you could take out. That is a big shed that's staying also with the property. Here you go. Again, it's a look at the backyard. Beautiful backyard. It is very big. The fence is right here. You have a mango tree. So if you want to like build, you know, grow your own food and everything, you can do it around here. Let's take a look. Has a little parking for a car, little sitting place. Again, the roof was done at 2019 and the AC in 2021. So fairly new roof and AC. Let's go back and take a look. If you want to make an investment, let me know. Price is $175. We are waiting for best and higher into 5 o'clock on Monday. Come and bring your best and highest offer. Let's look at the front. No neighbors on this side, no neighbors in the front. And you have a neighbor, but it's a little bit, like I said, the line is big. So that's your next door neighbor, so pretty far. If you're interested, give me a call. So if you're interested in the house, give me a call, 786-817-4338. You could call me, text me, send me a message. I'm interested in 5012 Barcelona Avenue in Fort Pierce. Would like to make an offer. Give us a call. 786-817-4338. Thank you. Like and subscribe. My name is Maria Sanabria with Wacos Realtor Integrity Group.